In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Eventbrite tickets. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your tickets on desktop, how to save them as a PDF, and what you need to show at the venue. First, open your web browser and go to the Eventbrite website. Log in using the same email address you used to buy the tickets. This matters because Eventbrite links tickets to the purchasing email. If you have more than one account, make sure you're in the right one so your tickets appear. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. Click it, then choose Tickets from the menu. This takes you to a list of all events associated with your account. Find the event you're attending and select it to open the ticket details page. On that page, you'll see options like download tickets or print tickets. Click Download Tickets to save a copy directly to your computer. In most cases, your ticket will download as a PDF file. Your browser might show the download at the bottom of the window or in a downloads icon near the top right. If you're not sure where it went, check your computer's downloads folder. Open the PDF to confirm everything looks right. Event name, date, your name, and the QR code or barcode should be clearly visible. If you prefer, you can choose print tickets instead. That usually opens your browser's print dialog. From there, you can print on paper, or if your computer supports it, select Save as PDF to keep a digital copy. Either option works. It's the same ticket information. Now, a quick note on what venues accept. Most organizers are happy with three formats: the ticket in the Eventbrite mobile app, the PDF displayed on your phone, or a printed paper copy. In most cases, you do not need to print the ticket unless the organizer specifically asks for it. If the event page or your confirmation email mentions special entry requirements, follow those instructions. A few tips to make check-in smooth. If you don't see your event under tickets, double-check you're logged into the email you used for purchase. Before you head out, keep the PDF somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated tickets folder. If you plan to show your ticket on your phone, download the PDF ahead of time or take a clear screenshot so you can access it even without a strong signal. And at the door, turn your screen brightness up to help scanners read the code quickly. That's it. You're ready to download, save, and show your Eventbrite tickets with confidence.